We're in Harrahs. It's really nice in here in Atlantic City. They have a lot of towers. The waterfront tower. The pool's not really that big.
Yeah. You really get an idea of the towers.
Yeah.
We're like in the middle of them.
I want to see this outdoor sun deck too.
Oh.
I want to see the outdoor sun deck. Alright, gonna give you a room tour. Just came from the pool. Don't mind me. Bathroom. Vanity. Toilet. They just cleaned while we were gone. Very deep tub. Shower with really good pressure. And then we have this full-length mirror here with this dude that you can see. King-size bed. TV. And in here you got the mini fridge and then some drawers. Got the ironing board and iron. Hang up your stuff in there. This couch, table. No freaking place to plug anything over there. And then this big lamp. Nice ass view that we couldn't see yesterday at all because of the fog. But today you can see the marina, which is super, super nice. And looking down, not so nice, but you just keep looking up. You're good money. So we're staying at the Harrahs in the Marina Towers, and my final thoughts about the room is, to me, I didn't like the bed. The bed was really hard. The pillows, I like pillows and I like fluffy pillows, but these pillows were too hard. There weren't enough outlets to me, especially closer to the bed. They put us right near the elevator, so you can kind of hear the elevator going up and down, up and down. The seagulls outside by the marina sound like they're on surround sound because you can hear them in here. And the toilet bowl, when you flush it, sounds like it's taking your whole entire soul down the drain. But other than that, it's a really spacious room. Very comfortable otherwise. You get a nice view of the marina when you can actually see it and it's not foggy. And the lighting in the bathroom is really good. Makes you look amazing. So, and the water pressure in the shower was really, really good too. So I recommend the room, especially if you're only going to be here for a couple of nights.